When celebrating important events in a customer's life, such as birthdays, milestones, or the anniversary of their first purchase, sending a physical handwritten card to their address can make a difference and make them feel valued and appreciated. Using the Send Handwrytten Cards extension in Zoho Inventory, you can send personalized cards to your customers on various occasions, customize their templates, and also create new card templates. In this video, we will learn all about it. Note that in order to install this extension, you need to have an account in the Handwritten app. First, let's install the extension from Zoho Marketplace. To do this, go to marketplace.zoho.com. Here, you will find many ready-to-use extensions. Search Send Handwrytten Cards for Zoho Inventory in the search bar. In the page that follows, install the extension. Click Install at the top right corner. In the pop-up that appears, read and agree to the terms and conditions of your vendor and Zoho Marketplace and click Install. Select the organization for which you would like to install the extension. Then, read and agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. Now, you will need to authorize your Zoho Finance Suite connection. Hover the cursor over Zoho Finance Handwritten Card and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch the necessary data from the app. Therefore, click Accept. Then click Next. Enter the Handwritten API key from your Handwritten account. To get the API key, log into your Handwritten account, click your profile and select Integrations. From here, you can copy the API key. Then, install the extension. That's it. You have successfully installed the Send Handwrytten Cards extension in your organization. Alternatively, you can also install the extension directly from Zoho Inventory. Go to Settings and click Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Here, search for the Send Handwrytten Cards extension and install it. Next, let's create a handwritten message template in order to add them to cards. To create a template, go to the Custom module and select Handwritten Message Templates. Click New at the top right corner. Enter the template name and message. Then click Save. The handwritten message template has been created successfully. Now let's send a personalized card to your customer. Go to the Customers module. Select the customer to whom you wish to send the card and select Send Handwrytten Cards. In the pop-up that appears, you can see various categories of cards created in your handwritten account. You can select the one that best suits your need. Select the font label and your preferred template from the drop-down. The message will be automatically populated. However, you can customize it by inserting placeholders. Then click Send Card. The card will be sent to your customer and you can track its status using the card ID. Under the Related List tab, you can view all the handwritten cards created and their details. If at any point you wish to uninstall the extension, go to Settings and select Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Click Installed Extensions next to All Extension. Click View Details below the Send Handwrytten Cards extension card. And click Uninstall at the top right corner. The handwritten extension will be uninstalled and you can no longer use it to send personalized cards to your customers. All the handwritten message templates and the card details stored in the Customer's Related List tab will be deleted. You will not be able to access them even if you install the extension again and will need to create them again. And that's a wrap for our video on the Handwrytten Cards extension in Zoho Inventory. Thanks for watching.